Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I styled this human hair wig from Fashion Idol Hair into a fabulous tapered cut wig. So it was only a few steps. It was super quick and easy. If you want to know how you can get this unit, what it looked like before, what it's going to look like after, make sure you keep watching. So I did receive a letter. They say, greetings, valued customer. That's me. They're just telling me about the hair, how to style it. It's 100% human hair, and some caring tips. And they just say, please come back to us for your next hairstyle order, and I will, because their hair is popping. Satisfaction, please let us know how we perform. We'd love to hear from you. Sincerely yours, Fashion Idol. That's so sweet. I love when companies send you like a little letter just telling you about the unit and just showing their gratitude. Like, that's just awesome. Okay, so I've got a wig stand, and I'm so lit about this wig stand because I have one. You can probably see it in the back. I needed some more wig stands, so this is just gonna add to my collection. So thank you for that because I really needed it. And I also got a free piece of jewelry, which is lit. Like, who doesn't love free jewelry? These are some cute earrings, teal. I like it. They're like boho style. Okay, so here is the unit. You just pull it out of here. Okay, so taking that out. So we've got two combs on both these sides right here of the wig. Here's a comb here, and here's a comb here. Okay, and there's a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps on each side. So let's go ahead and get started. Right here, I'm just showing you what this wig initially looked like on my head. Showing you what it looks like straight out of the package so you guys can see the uncut. This is what it looks like when you buy your wig with my discount. This is what you're going to get. Now from here, my step one is that I'm going to fluff out the curls. So I start doing it by hand, and you can see here that it is shedding a little bit because I'm being really rough with this wig. The curls are really defined and gorgeous, but I want them to be fluffy and big so I can see the shape of my hair as I'm cutting it. So I start with my hands and I finish with a comb. And the comb is a wide tooth comb, and it really pulls out these curls. And when I tell y'all, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Like, I was really impressed. So I'm just pulling out these curls. I want to see how big this wig can really get. So it did grow a lot in volume. So from here, I decided to go ahead and take my scissors and start trimming this unit up. Also, if you guys see like white spots, that's my cap. I had on a nude cap, which I should have not worn nude, but that's what you see peeking through. But if you wear a cap to your skin color or to your scalp color, it won't look like that. So here I'm taking my small scissors, and when you cut your wig into a taper cut, you want to start by just understanding that the lower half of your hair is going to be way shorter than the top. So the top, I want it to stay that kind of mushroom look. I want it to stay big and fluffy. And from the middle down, I'm just going to start cutting it. And the shortest length is going to be at the neck of the wig. I also did like kind of like a sideburn type thing. I cut also around my ears and just trimmed that up so that it kind of creates that perfect taper look as if this was my hair on my scalp. So this is my after effect, you guys. I'm so freaking like, this is so cute. I can't believe it turned out this cute. Like, I'm really impressed, and I know I'm finna display this at work because this is super easy and super natural looking. Alright, Queendom crew, I am so happy with the final results of this wig by Fashion Idol Hair. I did cut this into a taper cut, as you guys would have just seen, and I am really feeling it. This really surpassed my expectations, so I'm really happy. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments, and would you ever wear a style like this one? Make sure that you click the link in the description and see all that Fashion Idol Hair has to offer. I have my own page through Fashion Idol Hair, so you can receive a discount. Make sure that you click the link for that. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.